What if I told you your food cravings may be making you take money loan every single time? Sounds crazy, right? But here is the truth. Every time you swipe on e-commerce site or food delivery app, it is quietly shaping your financial future. India's buy now and pay later market is already worth nearly $31 billion and it is growing fast. This means for millions of people, buy now and pay later is permission slip into debt. Don't worry, this is not a lecture to stop ordering your food online. It is about behavioral design, credit traps, and financial psychology. The invisible app that is playing with Indian middle class people. On paper, our economy is the fastest growing. But look closer. Families are taking loans more and more. India's household debt is now 42% of GDP. The real problem is not that you ordered iPhone or biryani last night. It is that the food app that pushed you discount, your credit app that made you buy easy and pay later, and the bank app is waiting with interest charge if you missed a payment. One craving and three traps. And before you knew it, your salary is not even yours. Today I'm going to break down how apps are silently controlling your finance and more importantly how you can take it back to your control. Namaste friends, I'm Rohini and you're watching the knowledge series of fincash.com. Few years ago, most of us still kept cash into our wallets for daily spending. But fast forward to now. Today everything runs on app. Your food, your groceries and even your credit. And here is the big change. UPI isn't about transferring money anymore. The Reserve Bank of India has allowed credit lines to run on UPI, which means your simple pay button could now be borrowing on credit without even realizing it. Food delivery apps and e-commerce sites are no more an occasional treat. They are billion-rupee machine. Together, platforms like Zomato, Swiggy, Blinkit, Instamart clock orders worth over 20,000 crores every quarter. And the average order ticket is just 600 to 700. A couple of biryanis here, groceries there. These micro spends feels harmless, but imagine this is being ordered across millions of households and suddenly small indulgences are fueling macro level of debt. India's outstanding credit card dues are at 2.9 lakh crores and overdue bills they have shoot up to 44% in just 1 year, crossing 33,000 crores. That is how invisible habits powered by apps are reshaping not just your lifestyle but the entire financial balance sheet. Today's apps are designed like casino, something called as dark patterns. These are psychology tricks that quietly push you into spending. Let us analyze few of them that you would have already experienced. 150 off, valid for just 9 minutes. This is fall urgency. That tiny add-on insurance at checkout, already ticked. This is called basket sneaking. Add items worth rupees 79 more for free delivery. This is cart shaping. Only 2 left in stock. This is scarcity basis. Pre-selected expensive option. This is forced upgrade. Sounds harmless, right? But here is the truth. These tricks turn your wallet into defaults and defaults into debt. And this is where it gets dark. Because once you are into habit of spending without thinking, the next step is to make you borrow without realizing it. And the numbers are even more shocking. India's BNPL market has already crossed 22 billion in 2025. Millions of young Indians are using it every month, not realizing they are technically taking a loan. And companies love it because easy credit is more spending. Unlike traditional loans, these feel invisible. There is no bank manager, no paperwork, just one swipe and congratulations, you may be into debt. Even Reserve Bank of India stepped in recently to close the loopholes of customers that were being exploited at a massive scale in the name of BNPL. But they have also pushed for card tokenization and smoother digital checkouts. So yes, it's safer from fraud, but it's also more frictionless. And the smoother the payment, the faster you borrow. Think about it. You don't even feel a pinch of cash leaving your hand. Your brain doesn't even register it as debt. You feel that you're just clicking. But at scale, those clicks are quietly building India's next wave of household debt. Follow these simple rules that will help you save from these tricks. The 1:1 rule. Every time you spend 500 online, invest 500 in systematic investment plan. If you can afford those impulse buying, you can definitely afford the investment. This simple minor habit turns random spends into automatic wealth creation. Rule number 2. Kill dark patterns. Untick add-ons, ignore fake timers, and always pause 10 minutes before hitting buy now. Most discounts aren't real. If it feels worth it after the pause, then only buy. Cap your tab budget. Use spend limits UPI app. If you plan 5k a month, lock it at 4k. Your future will thank you for these small habits. Treat like your phone's data pack. When it's over, you wait. This builds discipline without effort. Split your money apps. Keep investment apps sacred. Push shopping app into focus mode so temptation doesn't live next to your wealth. If you're out of sight, you're out of your mind. Your brain will stop mixing spending and investing cues. And the last major tip is quarterly app audit. Every 3 months, delete 3 unused apps. Turn off shopping notification and review all auto debit. A clean digital wallet, clean money flow. You'll be shocked how much leakage stops here. The simple truth is, every notification, every offer, every swipe is designed to make you spend. But if you do not draw a line by yourself, you will spend your future even before it arrives. Middle class people do not have luxury of mistakes. One wrong loan, one debt trap, and you lose years of progress. So take control today, not tomorrow or someday. Just do it today. Investments have become very simple. You can invest as little as 10 rupee to 100 to 500 to 1000 and more in systematic investment plan. SIP is especially designed for people to save systematically every month or even daily, just as you used to put 10 rupees in your piggy bank. Because wealth isn't built in big movements, it is built in small choices you make every single day. Because it is your money, invest it smartly. If you have liked this video, then please do like, subscribe, comment and share. Humans are made of desires. We all have temptation, and that is why we often look at things that will make us happy. Maybe it through food, through some clothes, through some things or groceries. But you never know how spending becomes overspending and where you have to put that limitation. So we are not here to say you stop ordering food or stop shopping or stop using these apps, but it's always to be good to be aware. Every small swipe may feel easy today and convenient, but you never know how quietly it can pile up into tomorrow's stress. And honestly, the best comfort you can give to yourself isn't that midnight pizza, but it is peace of mind knowing that you're not going to pay any EMI next month. And being financially free is one of the biggest gifts you can give it to yourself. Groceries, but you never know how spending becomes overspending and where you have to put that limitation. So we are not here to say you stop ordering food or stop shopping or stop using these apps, but it's always to be good to be aware. Every small swipe may feel easy today and convenient, but you never know how quietly it can pile up into tomorrow's stress. And honestly, the best comfort you can give to yourself isn't that midnight pizza, but it is peace of mind knowing that you're not going to pay any EMI next month.